What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. Y'all see I just got my cut. Ooh, look at the waves. Yes, I am back. And guess what's back? Some car content, man. You guys see the title to the video. Yes, we are taking delivery of our 2017 Camaro SS today. The transporter is already at the house, man, so I'm trying to hurry up and get back now. He's been there for about 30 minutes to an hour, but man, we got a lot of stuff to do this week, so I had to get fly one time, but we'll be there in no time, man. Let's head over there and see what's up, man. Now, you guys know, man, I haven't bought a freaking car from Copart in so long. The last couple cars I bought was like type duds. Like the truck I got was a dud. I don't even remember the last car I bought from Copart, to be honest with you. But I know I did have a hail damaged car, and that one was freaking terrible. Like the body, it was like, I mean, it was a good running car, but overall body wise, it was just whooped. Like you couldn't really see the pictures on the Copart website. But you know, sometimes you got to double back, man. So we picked up a 2017 Camaro SS, clean title with hail damage from Texas, Abilene, Texas, man. So I'm hoping it looks good. I haven't seen it in person yet, so you guys are going to see it here with me first. But if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to get this thing looking good and make it fall right into the Everything's Regular catalog, man. So I can't wait. Byron, what's up, man? How you doing? Man, nice meeting you, dog.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Hey, man, thanks for bringing my ride, man. Appreciate you, dog.
Yeah, it's all right here, man.
And here we go, man. Y'all see it here first. 2017 Camaro SS, supposed to have some hail damage. However, I don't see the hail damage I was looking for just yet. Got a little.
It looked like it come down this side.
Yeah, got a little groove on this side. Yeah, for sure. Now I see it. But all in all, literally not as bad as I thought it was, man. That's dope, man. How was the ride, man?
Some heat. It was good. It was safe.
It wasn't no monsoon, man.
No,
Okay,
no
okay.
monsoon.
You got here.
I
Pretty.
watched it because I seen in the gas station it had hail damage. So I better leave it alone.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna clean it all up on content anyway. So yeah, it's perfect, man. I appreciate it, dog. Yeah. That's dope.
I wanted to show you how I had it strapped down.
Oh yeah.
No.
Cool.
I got it good on the wheels on the front.
Yeah, no, you did a good job, man.
And back here,
This.
right here. It's for towing.
Oh, okay,
right
bet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got nothing getting into where it was damaged.
Oh yeah, bet.
We ain't got it strapped down, but
Nah, that's cool, man.
yeah, we're gonna try to get it started. Here's your paperwork.
Oh, cool.
Feel that key. Feel how heavy that is.
Yeah, nah, that's
Feels
that
like
Chevy
gold,
key.
man.
It feels like
That's
gold.
good.
Hey, Byron, you already know my style, man. It feel like gold, dog.
Yes, sir. It's already heavy like that.
Hey, man, you see what's going on, man. Camaro SS, all here for your boy. I have to get my jumper box out of the truck, but oops. My bad.
It's all good. There it is now.
Oh, I messed it up.
Whoa.
Like, it was already messed up, bro. Oh, dang. Well, we'll get to the inside in just a sec, but man, let's see if we can get this thing off, get this thing fired up of some sort, man. Let's see real quick. So while my dog Byron is getting it unstrapped, man, we can check out this thing in the inside. Does smell musty as heck in this joint, like legit musty as heck. We gonna need a whole shampoo clean, deep clean, everything in this joint. Dirty as heck up here.
Somewhere to get gas, I said, man, that's a sweet ride.
Yeah. Hey, I didn't even know it had a sunroof. Yeah, I didn't even know.
Didn't even know. That's extra.
Yeah, that's dope.
That's bonus.
I'm digging that, man. I'm digging that.
Vegas.
Yeah, for sure. I'm digging that. Little damage here, no big deal there though. No big deal. Let's see what that V8 looking like, man. Alrighty. So definitely gonna need some antifreeze or something. Hopefully it's not knocking or nothing like that, man. I'm hoping because it's like literally like no antifreeze in there, man. So definitely got to get this thing serviced. We gonna see though. No milk, so we good.
No milk means good right there.
No milk, so we should be good there, man. We gonna see. I'm gonna pop this trunk, see if we can get this battery on this joint. The battery, I believe, is back here. Thought it was back here. I guess this Camaro is different. Oh, actually, it's here on the side. So it's not that different. It is a little different, though. I got to get to it real quick. Hold on, y'all. All right, guys. So we got our battery charger all hooked up. Hopefully, we can get a nice start without no clunkety clunk, man. I'm hoping for the best here, man. So we got to get this thing off. Did they load it with the forklift?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, yeah. You lucked up.
Yeah, they picked it up where it was out there and carried it to the shop.
Oh, batteries too dead. Yeah, battery is super dead. Hang on 1 second. I don't even know if I turned it on or not. I ain't even turn it on. Oh, dang.
Boy, man.
That thing fired right up. That was perfect, wasn't it? Huh? Hey, man, you better.
Sound bad now.
Hey, man, I'm digging it. Oh, my God. That thing fired right up. Look at the bump. Oh, yeah. Hey, it's real. It's real, Bar. You better tell him what's up, man. Hey, that is freaking dope. It fired right the heck up.
Hey, let me go ahead and bust these ramps out.
Yeah, man. Oh, my God. Yes, sir, man. I might have to have them give me a little detail wash or something over there, man. Y'all see what's going on? I'm hella excited. I am excited, y'all. Y'all don't even know.
I got you unhooked.
Oh, yeah, for sure. I'll take
Turn
it.
it off.
Yeah, I'll take it out your way.
Thanks, man. I can do, man.
Yeah, appreciate you. Oh, man, you can offload it. I'll watch you.
Already.
Let's go up, man. About to offload this bad boy. See what it's looking like. It's already sounding good. We got to get this thing serviced, detailed up. Ooh, I can't wait. Yeah. Let's see. Make sure it's not hitting on nothing near. Yeah, you're good. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Am I clear?
Yeah,
There?
yeah, you should. Yeah, you're good. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Feel like Mario. Mario Kart, man. Here we go. Yes, sir. I'm digging it. Yeah. Woo. If you want, you can just pull it in the driveway. Freaking rolling on his own power. Yeah. Okay, let's see it. I'm digging it, man. Okay, we got a little rub on a little fender up there. No big deal. SS though, man. Y'all see it here first. It's time to get this thing looking like mine's. Yeah, that's fine right there. Yes, sir, man. And you can just leave it running too.
Yes, sir, definitely.
My guy got the first ride, man.
It's got some low fuel, so.
Oh, yeah.
Leaning at this, it might be how long?
Oh, yeah, I gotta go get some gas and stuff. Definitely gotta go get some gas. Man, I appreciate you, man, all the way. Where we picked this up? Tell them, man.
Pick this up in Abilene, Texas.
Okay, all right, man. Y'all see my...
all the way from Fort Worth, DFW area.
Hey, man, y'all see my guy Byron out here getting cracking, man. I appreciate you, man. Good looking out, dog. Yeah, Thank you so much, man.
Take good care of you, right?
Yeah, I can't wait, man. I can't wait. Alrighty, guys, here we have it. 2017 Camaro. We gotta freaking change our oil, all our fluids, all our stuff. But we got the detail people like right here, man. So I'm gonna see if they can get us clean and stuff while we wait. But does look, I mean, better than I thought. It sounds a whole lot better. Just it running by itself and its own power is enough for me. These little dents, you can't really see it on silver, but you guys see the little dents there. Literally not a big deal at all. We got dents all on the side over here. No big deal. Freaking sunroof. Everything, man. So it's time to get this thing cleaned up. Get it looking like mine's. Get this battery juiced up and everything, man. Kind of need to go get some gas. But y'all see it here. Geico has been at the auction since May 25th. So it hasn't been started in a while. All right, see you, brother. So yeah, man, it's been a while since this thing has been started. But I am excited. Y'all see you got the brup on that thing, man. Yes, sir. I can't wait. Y'all know I want to throw my own taste on it with the washing, but they literally just right here. I don't know if they'll be able to get me in today. But like I said, I'm excited, man. Man, I gotta go get some gas in this joint before we run out. Hopefully we can make it. Hopefully we can make it. We're gonna see, man. Hopefully it don't cut off, nothing like that. We only got a little ways to go. Oh, damn. Oh, the parking brake was on. See, I knew it. Let's see. Got a few miles, man. Let's see if we can get there. We got change oil light. We got our parking thing on. I think our parking brake is on because of the brakes. At least I'm hoping so. I don't know. We'll see. But we're gonna try to get to the gas station before this thing cut off, man. Alrighty, man. So we done barely made it to the gas station, which is a plus. Like I said, this thing is freaking dirty. Luckily, we are by a car wash, man. We can actually take it to the car wash real quick, get it cleaned up here. That way we don't gotta spend like $30, $45, but y'all see it here first, man. I'm literally excited. We about to pull this Geico sticker off. Geico catastrophe code. Yeah, we gotta pull all this stuff off and get this thing together, man. But some good gas in this joint should do it some justice. I couldn't do that outside. Like, we gotta get this inside right. It's not that bad. Definitely like they had some kids or something in here, man. So once we get this interior nice and smelling nice, man, it'll be that much more better. Like I said, guys, we do got the sunroof up there. I'm gonna wait till this thing is washed to try it out. But yeah, got a Camaro here, man. 50th anniversary. Can't wait. Have to knock this dust off before we wash it, man. That thing was too dirty to even dry. All right, so let's see here together. Let's see here together. Did knock a bunch of that dirt off. Does look a lot better already. Does look a lot better already. I ain't gonna hold you. A lot better already. That silver definitely is gonna pop. But you guys know, man, I'm thinking of something totally different than this silver, man. What color y'all thinking? Can't wait to see what we do with it and how it come out, man. Let your boy know in the comments below. I'm about to get this thing vacuumed out. Try to get it cleaned up a little bit. Alrighty, guys. We got this thing looking a tad bit better. Still got to clean out the trunk and all that good stuff. I need to take it to the dealer, get a whole oil change, get the full works on this thing before we get too involved with it. But all in all, it does ride really fair for the most part. Looks really good compared to all the other Copart cars I got. It just happened to be from Texas, so literally, you guys know Texas is a lot of dirt out there, man. So whoever had this car before definitely had a dog or something, and they love their dog because it's a bunch of like fur hair and all of that, man. I need to get this taken care of today. This is a task I can complete, but it's gonna take me forever, and I'd rather a professional do it, man. So I'm gonna try to find somebody to hit this interior for me, and then from there we'll be good to go.